It's something else. Oh, this life is something else. Oh, no balance.
It's my girl, my mother.
Your mother?
My mother was admitted to hospital and the doctor said that we must make half payment before the treatment will be carried on.
How much is half payment?
He said it's 100,000.
100,000 naira. Hey. It's okay, just wait. Wait for me and... Go and treat your mother, huh?
100,000. Okay, well, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't worry you now. I'll be God. Go and treat your mother. Go.
What did happen? Yeah. I just saw Ozoma. I see her they run come up for here. As if she win lottery. What happen?
Don't worry you now. It's my place now where they do lottery. I go still they do this kind of work.
So why should I happy? What happen?
Yeah, she said my mama is sick and he needs small money for treatment. 50,000.
Now this guy say he get money. Oh. You will not get 5,000 to chop. You don't even have money to eat. Now she dey come tell of 50,000.
Now me they talk to you.
Yes.
Because you say I don't get. You know how much I give her now? I give that girl 100,000 naira.
Whoa! Wait, you dey joke? Abi you serious? Or you dey pull my legs? Which one?
You say me and you na the same level.
You give that girl 100,000?
100. You know, say I should be happy. No take me play, but take me play.
How much you dey make for you?
You dey play.
Okay, ma.
You get one.
Hey! If I say you dey joke, tell me say you dey joke. Tell me say you dey joke now. You have to give that girl 100,000.
Go ask.
Hey! Okay, one.
Hope you have money to pay for your food today. Me, I'm not paying for two.
Which can talk with that one now? What do you mean? After I don't come your workshop, come help you finish. Just to pay ordinary food for me, say you no go pay. Which can talk with that one now? Why I come help you for your workshop?
See your problem. You don't have money yet you are shouting. You are shouting. How will I help you? Eh? You don't have money yet you keep shouting. Poor man, but you have choice. If you hadn't come to my workshop, how would you have eaten?
Because you know say I no get option. You won't come the many I like. No hope, sha. If say I no come your workshop, I no go see where I go chop. But now I don't come. You suppose organize food for me.
No problem. Just be thanking God you're my friend. Just be thanking God. Very soon I'll make enough money. I'll go to the city and get a workshop there. Let me see how you find me.
No bring that kind of leg come. Not even plan that kind of thing. Before you even enter bus to go to the city, you go see me inside that bus. Even without you telling me, I go there inside the bus. Which kind of plan with that one now? You won't block my means of survival. That your prayer no go work. I swear to God, you no go work.
No problem. Come.
Don't be so life, you. Calm down. No. You dey go eat. You pay for that. So Okenwa gave somebody 100,000. Okenwa gave somebody 100,000 naira. Well, that shouldn't be my business. That is not my business. So long he buys food and we eat together, everybody, we are happy. That is not my business. If he likes, may go give 1 billion, 2 billion. All that I know is that it's a big lie. Huh? My own friend, I don't have money. He gave somebody 100,000. I know it's a big lie. It's a lie. And it's not my business also. My business is that I should be buying food and we'll be eating. He buys the food, we eat together. I think that is my business. If he buys the food, we eat together. That is my only business.
Chairman, you get how today be no customer at all. Eh? Oh, wow.
No worry, nothing there happen. Some days now, so it be. But
So
God day, God day. God day.
More the wait now.
God day.
See car when they enter. So na woman the driver me. Hope don't date today now.
Go find out. It's sure.
Madam.
Yeah, hi.
Please, how can we be of help to you?
Yeah, good afternoon. I think my car needs servicing. Yeah, so can you please come and check it?
I want us to service your car.
Yes.
We sabi do am well. No worry yourself. Let me just tell my oga.
All right, that's fine.
Chairman, she said she wants to service her car. I told her we know how to do it very well.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
Let me get this place.
Oh, okay, I can see. Please, I need my car serviced.
No wahala now. We'll go tidy.
All right.
So we'll take it off from here.
Okay, that's fine.
Open the bonnet.
Let me help you, don't worry.
So you mean he told you he gave that girl 100,000 just like that? Why will I lie to you? Waiting I go gain if I lie for you. But you and I know Kinwa does not make such amount in his mechanic workshop. Not even in a month. So where does he get such money to give to a girl? I'm wondering too. I dey wonder. I've been on my legs in the pool. Or he's pulling my legs. I don't even know. I don't know. The uncle why I know does not joke with things like this. Or maybe it's one of those his pranks. Maybe. Maybe that's it. But if he did that, why me, his friend, I'm here suffering? That means he's not a good friend. Okay, why it's not be better friend, maybe. See, Chima, I know what I tell you. Chima. Hi. Just calm down, okay? I will advise you to calm down. What we'll do now, you will just watch him henceforth. Okay? I don't believe. We have to wait and see. Okay? You are right. You are right. Just calm down. I'm going to put an eye on him. I go put eye. I go monitor her. Exactly. Now we there, yeah. Because I still believe the thing self see they be me like film. You need money, okay, what they carry and go give care, and you know how you take need that money. If I think about the blessing my cry, if I think about the fever, the blessing my cry. Because now my friend now, you know the matter now. I understand. Just calm down again. Now we there, yeah. Calm down. Now we there, yeah. We need to go transfer. I go monitor her.
Fire. Fire small. Not too much. Just, let me hear the sound. Still small, yeah. Small.
Thank you so much.
No worry.
I sincerely appreciate. Thank you. I never knew a small mechanic like this would be able to fix my car.
All for you. We know small, oh. This our place, no small. Oh. If you know the kind of cars where they come here, even Rolls Royce, they enter here, we go tidy them. They match the motor go Lagos, nothing.
Wow.
That's my boy now.
That is nice. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful.
No,
Thank you.
problem. Anytime.
Okay, you can have this.
All right, no problem. Welcome.
All right, thank you so much.
No problem. So anytime you notice anything with the car, just bring it. Tell your friends, you know that they'll come outside.
Thank you so much.
No, while I see, as we change the oil now, after about 3 months, like 3 or 4 months, come, we'll go remove the oil, put fresh one.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay, I
Thank
will.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, shall I tell you, say this one, shall I tell you, this woman, I tell you, it's not a big shot, too. It's on package you wear. Okay, now this kind of woman fit you. I'm say get money now, no be mechanic they do. Now this kind of woman fit you like this. Hey!
You know well, though. You know well,
You
though.
speak better English.
You see your guy, the insulter, you know well. Thing they do you.
No verse.
Comport. Carry our 2 bucks. You don't do. Carry our 2 bucks, go keep on there. But what thing they do you now? You don't see woman now, you forget where they keep 2 bucks. There.
I don't forget, so.
Brother Tobe, my mother was asking when you'll be going to the city, so she will give you Gary to give to my brother.
Oh, money. I actually shifted my trip to the city. But don't worry, tell your mother I will come update and give her the date that I'll be leaving, yeah?
Okay, brother.
I hope you are okay.
Yes, brother.
Money. I can see you are shining, you know.
Brother, what will I do now?
All right, now, money. Extend my greetings to your mom, okay?
No problem, Brother Tobe. Okay, no problem. Since I've seen you, let's just walk along.
I know, no problem. Money. You're not a big girl. Okay, my guy. I can see you're just coming back from work.
Yes, so I'm tired, man. I'm tired. How far? This one you are walking majestically. Where are you heading to?
I am actually coming to see you now.
Really?
Yes, regarding what we discussed the last time we met. Yes.
Oh, yes. You said you want to get me a second apprentice, right?
Exactly.
I don't think I need a second apprentice now. Yes, you know I have somebody, my boy, working with me now. He's still with me, though he'll be done soon. Yes, very soon I'll settle him, he'll leave. So once he leaves, I'll let you know, then you can bring me somebody. For now, I'm okay.
Anyways, all the man like that now. So how is everything? How was work today now?
It's not easy. This our work is stressful.
I swear, my brother, it's not easy now to be the best automobile mechanic in this area. It's really stressful now, I know. But it's worth the stress too,
yes,
you know?
It's good. No wahala now.
I know, my brother. Now. Take care of yourself. Please don't forget to update me, please.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
What's up?
This one wey not the shop, what happened?
My guy, I'm on my way to go pick a customer's car to the shop. So I won't go bring and carry and go shop. Yes, so now where they go like this. I did now.
Your guy the shop as they come.
No, he wasn't in the shop by the time I left. But I believe by now he should be on his way to the shop.
See, if you reach shop, tell your guy say if I finish what I do today. If I'm done, I'll come shop. Move day together now.
Okay, no problem. I will phone him.
Ima,
Everywhere
hard
good.
working nigga.
My man, take care.
Well done,
Bye.
Yesterday, my boy told me you were coming. I waited, I didn't see you. What happened?
I wanted to come, but I went to check for that visa application, the one I told you. I went to check it.
How far? How did it go?
You know how these people they behave. The system is fucked up already. These people just they postpone us. They kept postponing everything. And they want to attend to those that have money first before they can attend to us that don't have money. Imagine what is happening in this country.
That's why you need to make money.
What did they talk? What are you insinuating now?
I'm not insinuating anything. See, money answers all things. So you have to make money so you can have answers to all things. That's how it works.
Insult me to my face if you want to insult me. Insult me. So now crime not to get money for this country. Is it a crime not to have money? Just tell me.
I'm not saying it's a crime. My point is make money. Hustle and make money. You're always complaining. Anytime I see you are complaining, stop complaining and hustle. Make money.
No problem now. Very soon they go accept that visa application. And you go there, they look me, I go fly. No fear, it go happen now.
I go sit down, they look you. You don't know me. As you land that country, you see me there.
I go see you there based on waiting. You will enter my sack bag, I be where you enter. I go tie this your big head for the sack bag. The way I go use tie you for there, you no go like her. Say, just tell me say you enter my sack bag. You no go walk, sha. So forget all those kind of talk.
Once you land that country, you will see me there. Do you know my backup?
Which backup?
Do you know my backup?
Nah, yeah, what to forget those kind of things, say backup. Not be only backup, now back down. Why is your face like this? Why are you worried?
There's a problem. Ikenna just got from the city. He said his shop was caught on fire. And his goods was burned to ashes.
This is bad. So everything burnt to ashes?
Yes.
Just like that? This is bad though. No.
Chima, I need to go to the city as early as tomorrow. At least to know how he's doing. But Chima, I don't have money with me. Please, can I get some money from you? Please.
Oh my God, this is a wrong timing. It's a wrong timing because me too, I don't have money. I don't have any money. Trust me. I don't know what to do. But wait, let me call my friend OGENE. Let me see if he can give you some money. Okay? Let me call him.
Chai, this is your story, they touching you. Wow.
It did very bad though.
Sorry, yeah?
Very bad. Now because of what me I talk for phone, now make me bring her come. Whether you feel help her, I beg.
How much do you need?
Like 25,000 naira would be enough to get me to his house.
5,000?
Yes.
Oh, wow, how they come?
My friend, I told you we had. I told you, just calm down, yeah? Sometimes bad things happen. Just calm down. Okay, what?
Give this one to your brother, eh? Then this one is for your transport. Okay? It's okay.
It's okay. Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Bless you too, eh? No wala.
May God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Now I know you are a man of your word. If you talk, you dey do am. Talk and do. As you talk and so you go do am. Okay, well, I believe you. Your government clear. So it's true that Okenwa gave 100,000 the other day. And today, he gave out 250,000 to Ijoma. And me, we been friends, that day they suffer. At the end they suffer. But this man, this guy is just a mechanic. We get just mechanic shop. I take the see 100,000, dash person. 250,000, dash person. I must put an eye on him. I need to know how intake they make this money. How Okenwa take they see this money. That is what I need to know. Because it did somehow. It did somehow. My own friend don't help me. Hunger won't finish me. Suffer won't finish me. But in they help other people for inside town, giving them money to do everything. But me, that he calls his best friend, he cannot do anything for me. Beautiful nonsense. No problem. Hi. Okay, wow.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate your encouragement.
You're welcome. And also, please tell Ikenna that we sympathize with him over the incident. And tell him that he will rise back, okay? This is not the end.
Sure.
Okay?
He will get your message.
All right. Be a good girl. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Remember what I told you.
Okay,
you remember, Abi?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, now. No problem.
Bye. Bye.
You come my shop, see as you keep face. Hope say no be food, you come beg. Wetin dey do you now? Talk, wetin happen?
Okenwa, I'm not fine. I'm not alright, Okenwa.
You are not alright, we know. So what is the problem?
Okenwa, you don't be my friend from when we dey small. You don't be my close, tight friend. And I believe say you not fit see bad thing make it happen to me. Make you not tell me. Same way me self not fit see bad thing make it happen to you. Make I not tell you.
So it be. Na so it be. I no fit see bad thing, I go allow am make it happen to you. At all.
See as you keep me quiet. You dey see me dey suffer, you keep me quiet, Okenwa. Over my situation, you just keep quiet like this. You dey choose to help other people, but you not fit help me. I don't know why. I don't know how you dey do this kind of thing, Okenwa. Wetin I do you?
See, you be my guy. For many years, you be my guy. Yeah. Anything where I tell you, na so it be. If I see where I go tell you, say, see as things be. I no feel lie, but see this situation, you no go understand this one. You no go understand.
Okenwa, help me now. They help me. I dey beg you, help me, Okenwa. Make I die before you go help me. Make I don't die before you help me. Wetin I do you? Help me now. I dey beg you.
My sister, if not for Okenwa, my mother would have been a dead woman by now.
Hell, that man is just so good. I mean, he has been helping people in this village single-handedly without asking for anything. Hey,
I can't thank that man enough. I can't. Well, me and my mother intend returning the money he borrowed us.
Also borrowed. That man helps people without asking for payback, so there's no point you going to return money.
Ezioku!
Of course. He helps without asking for payback, even with his small workshop.
Hey.
Imagine when he owns a company. It means that every youth in this village will own a job one after the other.
Why won't God bless him? Why won't God bless him? I mean, God will continue blessing him, so I also help those in need.
Amen. Hey! Hey! That man is good though.
Very good.
I won't come back, bro. The food still very hot. So enjoy them now. Okay? That one, madam, that lady won't be come that time. She dey come like this.
This kind of person wey money o. This person wey money. Wey dey carry car sef, this person wey money.
You touch am o. Madam.
Hello.
Sorry, good afternoon, ma.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I do. You're welcome.
Thank you, please. Don't mind my manners. You know, the last time I didn't remember to ask you your name.
Even me, I don't remember to tell you, sir.
So I'm not the only one guilty here.
Yes, my name is Okenwa.
Oh.
Yes, CEO OK's Automobiles. #1 mechanic in the whole of this country.
Very interesting.
Yes, sir.
You can see that again. At least I have testified it already.
So don't be saying, I mean,
I know. Good to come again, you know. Okay, by the way, my name is Doris.
Good afternoon, ma.
Kekwana.
I know from Mama. How you doing now?
You can see we are fine. I was even thinking that you have forgotten me.
No, nah, Mama, you know I can't now. I was about coming to your place, Seth. I received your message from Monica 2 days ago.
Ezioku.
Yes.
So when am I expecting you? Because I have this important message that I want to discuss with you concerning my son.
Mama, I know. Let me just finish what I'm doing in the shop. I will come check on you at home, okay?
Mama, I'm expecting you. I'm okay.
Mama, take care of yourself.
Oh, my dear.
All right, ma.
Bye. So,
Mama.
you know, I've labored to train this girl in university. But my problem now is the money for clearance.
Mama, I understand how you feel. I wish I have this money you're talking about. But don't worry, Mama. We will find a way to solve this issue.
Mama, I think I know someone to go ask for assistance.
Who is that, my daughter?
Deokenwa.
Deokenwa. Which Deokenwa are you talking about?
Mama, the one that owns a mechanic workshop at the Express. He was the one that helped Mama Ozioma at the hospital. He cleared everything.
Izuku?
Yes.
Monica, you know I actually thought about that too. But I doubt if it will work out, seriously. After. But I feel there's no harm in trying. We can give a try if it will work. And I'll also try talking to him too to see if he will help us with it.
Please just help me. I want this girl to do her clearance.
Mama, just calm down, okay? I promise you, Mama, I will talk to him.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I need to go now, Mama. Yeah?
Thank you.
All right now.
And
Monica, don't think too much, oh. Diana, Mama.
Thank you.
Diana.
Please help me.
Thank
you.
I'll
try my best.
Mama, I want to go to school.
I know. It's your clearance we are talking about. You will do it.
I will use that strategy. You can ask the Okenwa. I believe
I pray it will work out. I pray.
What?
Okenwa.
Why are you shouting my name? What's the problem?
Okenwa. I've come to meet you to discuss something with you.
Want to discuss it?
Yes. Okenwa, I beg. I want me to show me how to make money. Show me how I go use make this money, because I see the way you help people, so that I can also do these things too for people. I can help people and do things for people. Same way you do for them too. Please. I use God beg you. Show me how to make money, Okenwa. Biko.
See, I'm a mechanic. That is what I do. There's no extra thing I do. The only thing is I know the job very well. I know my work, so it gives me money. That's all.
Okenwa, you dey lie. Na big lie, you dey lie. Me and you know say no mechanic workshop fit give you the kind of money where you dey give people. The kind of money you spend on people. Mechanic workshop cannot give you that kind of money. Why you dey lie like this, Okenwa?
You think there's something else to it? There is nothing to it. I do my work very well. No other thing. That's all. See the problem? You people don't understand. I'm a child of grace. So even if I do mechanic work, I'll be making money from there.
Okay, one, stop to lie. Stop all these things where they talk. Me, I know say you they lie. Deep down in me, I can feel it that you are lying. You don't want to show me the way, Abi? You don't want to show me the way. One thing I want me to remember be say, success shared is success achieved more. If you share am with me and you go achieve more, okay, one. Why you dey hide updates? Give me updates, okay, one. Let me help people the same way you are helping people, okay, one, please. I dey beg you.
Let's go and share some bottles of drink in the bar.
Okay, one. So now only what you go fit do for me be this.
Won't you drink?
No, why? Which kind of thing be this one now? Come now, let. No problem. I go follow you. I go follow you. If now 2 bottles, I take. No problem.
Chai, just imagine how beautiful this lady is. If only my boss has the kind of money that can take care of her. Chai, he would have just married her. Both of them so fit.
Boy. Guy, what's wrong with you now? Every time, once you see woman, so you just dey like this, they fantasize. You don't do now. She don't go.
Okay, it cannot be like that. To be honest with you, that lady, she's very beautiful. And you guys lose good together. To be honest, if you guys can just... I'm seeing the perfect picture of both of you together.
Which perfect picture? Which perfect picture? That woman no be my class now. That's just my friend. Friendship, that's all. But I'm a mechanic now. I know if you run this kind of person.
You can forget that and I feel like she likes you.
She likes me, but may just be like that. Forget them. You don't do. Go find something do. You don't do.
Okay, one, my guy. The biggest fish in town. The people's man.
Give me that. I call him biggest fish. I'm not biggest fish. How you doing now?
I do, my brother. How you side now? I can see you are just coming back.
Yes, sir. Just going
Okay, my brother. I'm glad I'm seeing you now because there's something I would love to discuss with you. Something very important.
You don't want us to talk now?
No. It's something we'll take our time and discuss.
I know Wala now. Let me go home. Meet me in the house.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Let me allow you to rest now. Oh, yeah, now. Okay, my man.
I'll be all right.
My son, Biko, don't forsake us. My daughter and I are here, and to beg you, she has finished school, but there is no money for clearance. Biko, Nwam, that is why we are here, for you to help us. Biko.
It's all right. My friend, Tobe knows me very well. He's my very good friend. He knows I love helping people.
A lot.
He gives me joy. So, I will see what I can do. What did you study in school?
Medicine and surgery, sir.
Wow. Medicine and surgery? Wow. That means you are going to become the first doctor from our village.
Exactly.
Ah. Wow, that is good. That's good. Because I don't think we've had any doctor.
None at all.
Yeah, I'm very sure. Maybe the person studied his own outside.
Exactly.
For people who are here, I'm not sure. Wow, that's good. That's good. Congratulations. So the problem now is clearance.
Yes. Ego clearance, that's all.
That's all. Okay. All right, simple. I'm coming.
Okay. I'm sure everything will be all right. We are family now. If I don't do this for you, who will do it?
Thank you so much.
You will do your clearance like I told you, Mama. I will handle everything. Just relax yourself.
Hi.
This is 500,000 naira.
Hey!
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
100,000.
Hey! Hey! This for my man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bless you for me.
Amen.
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 Mama, God bless you. God bless you.
Our people say givers never lack. So the more you give, the more it comes in. Amen.
Confirm.
Money can name.
How are you?
I'm fine. I heard what happened. You are indeed a lucky person.
My dear, I thank God though. Okay, what has been a blessing. Like if anyone told me that I will be having money for my clearance, I will not believe it.
You see?
Hey!
Now you have to believe when I said Okenwa is a blessing to this community.
My dear, that is why I will never stop to appreciate him. This is the type of people that are supposed to be the Igwe of this community.
To be honest,
honestly,
if Okenwa becomes the Igwe of this community, of this village, of this kingdom, no one will have anything to worry about.
Not at all.
Izuku.
That is why I will keep thanking him. I will never stop to appreciate that man.
Every day.
Hey, that man is a
Every
blessing.
day. So when are you leaving for your clearance?
In 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks' time? Ha! Hey, Gladiator is waiting.
My dear, what to do? God is good.
Very soon. Compassion! I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy because you deserve it. You work so hard for it.
Thank you.
You deserve it.
Thank you. Ozi, so bad. Let me run along. So my mom will not stand with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Soon graduating. Hey! Okay, Uma. Okay.
Joma. Look at how you are looking fresh.
Hey.
Only a few weeks when you go sit.
Chima, stop a beg. You always want to flatter me. Eh?
Now you be this.
Na me oh.
Ijoma Beke. How is the people in the city now? How everybody?
Everybody is fine.
You, when did you come back? When you show?
I came back yesterday.
Hey, EJ. So Ikenna, what is happening with him? How he be?
Ikenna is fine. Just that it has not really been easy with him. But by the special grace of God, he has started something small.
It's very important. I know say what happened to him, they very bad. It's very bad. But he's a man and God will make a way.
Yes, sure.
God go make a way, you know now. Eh? So what's up? Where you go? Where are you going?
I want to go and see De Okenwa. I want to go and thank him for all the things he did for my brother. You know, he's the reason my brother is able to start up again. You know.
Very important. Oh, don't worry, you can just go. I think he will be at home. I believe he'll be at home.
Okay, let me go so I can come back on time.
Sounds you fine. EJ.
Hey.
Please take it easy. Oh.
Mama, this one you guys are carrying, it seems you guys are going to the market. Oh.
My son, you know our people used to say that appreciation is a virtue.
Yes.
And if you do not show it, that shows you are not a nice person.
Mama, yeah, you are not this your big proverbs. You know, young boys like me, we don't know all this adage, you.
Small, you will learn.
Yes. Brother Tobe, we are going to say thank you, a very big thank you to Brother Okenwa for doing everything he has been doing for us.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mama, now I understand what you are talking about.
Yes, so my son. And to you too, who was able to convince him.
Mama. Mama, no, we are families now, Mama.
You know, that's why I used to call you my son.
Yes, now, of course, Mama. Actually, I was thinking of coming to check on you guys. Yes.
So bad, let's go and
no problem, Mama. Let me run along now. Yeah, no.
No
problem.
Hey.
He's fine now. He was able to retrieve some of his goods. And with the money you gave to him, he was able to rent another small shop.
Wow.
Yes. And he said you'll be coming to the village one of these days, at least to show appreciation for your support.
No, it's not necessary. It's not necessary at all. First of all, I'm happy that at least he used the money well. You know?
Yes.
He did not give up on himself. Again, he doesn't need to thank me. It's okay. I'm happy he's doing well. Every young person deserves to do well in life.
Jay is going mad. Thank you very much. God will bless you.
Bless you too.
Okay. Let me run along. I want to go to the market.
Take care.
Thank you.
Hey, my daughter.
Mama.
If only we have people like him, 3 in this community. Afufuana, suffering will just end.
Mama.
Eh?
Hi.
This
man is good.
He's a woman.
He has been helping people in this community. Even the things our Igwe cannot do, he's doing it.
Hey, you know what? Let's walk fast because I don't want to meet sin. Let us not miss him at all. Hey!
He got right.
So you will go back to school. Yes, Mama.
This country is just so unfair. The government is so unjust to its citizens. They are the people who propose a scholarship to us, and yet they are frustrating us, giving the opportunity to people who offers them money. Sometimes I feel they just presented this to the people to extract money from them. If not, why would they only be giving the opportunity to people who has money, and we the poor cannot get what they say is free from the government? This is so unfair. But wait, my best friend is helping people anyhow in this village, but he can't help me secure this scholarship visa. And come to think of it, that is just a mechanic, and he gives out so much money to the people as help, and he can't help me, his own friend. It still baffles me.
calling and calling.
Yes, I went to the backyard to handle something.
I forget.
The heat is too much. Come, let's go.
Okay.
Thank God for us.
My son, my daughter is so happy ever since you made it possible for her to do her clearance. Thank you so much. And that is why we have come with this small yam to say a very big thank you to you. You've really done well for us. Thank you. We really appreciate it.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You didn't have to do this. So. You didn't have to do this. It's okay. I love helping people. And not just that. Every young person deserves to go to school. Yes, education is very important. And I've looked at her. I know that she will make us proud in this community. She will make us proud in this community. Eh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you.
So, I'm coming. I'm coming. Madam, take care.
Hey!
For you and your daughter.
Hey! I don't know what to say.
Brother, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.
Mama. Hey. Ego. Hey. Hi. Hey!
Thank you, okay.
Okay. What is happening now? This one you're looking like a Ikenna the was coded. Where are you headed to?
To be my friend, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. It seems that there are people this system favors. And I feel tell you say, I'm not there inside these people. I don't suffer, Tobe.
Take it easy, my brother, eh?
Hi.
How do you mean, eh? Explain to me now, eh?
Tobe, Okenwa is my friend. Okenwa calls himself my best friend. Okenwa is going around helping people, giving them money to solve their problems. But me, we be friend. Okenwa no go give me money. Okenwa refuse to give me money. Look at the US scholarship visa that I applied for. They told us to bring 50,000 each. Okenwa refuse to give me 50,000. Okenwa no fit give me 50,000.
And you think his money is genuine? Okay, how are you sure that his money is from a genuine source?
Who be this one? Eh?
No, think of it now.
Leave them now. Come.
Eh? Anumpama. Eh? So it's somebody that has been helping the old people in this community now.
Don't stone him. But I think this guy has a point, though. He has a point. Because if Okenwa's money is genuine, why is it that he cannot give me money? Why he not fit give me money? Small money, 50,000, he not fit give me. His money is not genuine. I think he has a point.
If you're not my friend, I would have said you're a very stupid and a very envious person.
Shege.
You are envying Okenwa. Eh? Your mate are there looking for their own money, looking for how to make money. You are there crying about for another man's money. Eh? Big boy like you.
I don't suffer. What do you want me to do?
My brother, come on, go out there. Let your boy go. Your mate are there making money. Go and make money. Then you spend your money yourself the way you want. You are here crying of Okenwa money.
My own friend can give other people money, but he not fit give me money. He not fit give me money, and you want to make her happy?
I pity for you.
Go.
You never ready to make him.
Come on for here.
Eh?
Come
on.
ready
to make him. Eh? See your knicker. Kind of Okenwa's money.
No worry.
Somebody's money.
I dey go in workshop. I'm going to his workshop to go and see what is happening there.
Go and look for money.
Get out! Nonsense.
Talking about another person's money. Someone that will help.
This one your face they like person they go fighting or wetin dey happen.
Answer me first. Now wetin dey happen?
I say your oga dey shop. Tell me.
Since you don't reach quarrel, no verse so. My oga no dey shop. Him comot. Him tell me say won't go see customer or maybe in a house when begin go. I no know.
You sure?
Eh, now wetin tell me now? Which one? Wetin dey happen?
Chima. Wait, not me they talk to you. You don't sure say this guy do alright. What happened? This one when they look for my Oga like this. I be one come kidnap him. Oga no get money. I just say make I tell you. How they go, why they go.
Nah. Once again, may the Lord bless you.
Amen.
May you continue to grow from strength to strength.
Amen.
With this pure heart of yours. Hi.
Okay, well, thank you so much. God bless you for all this.
It's all right. It's all right. Bless you too. My doctor. I know you'll make us proud out there.
Yes, sure I will. I will not disappoint. Don't worry, I will not disappoint.
Hey.
Make this community proud.
Oh, Chima, how are you? Oh, you are here to see your friend? Yes. Okay, let's be going. Oh, Guyana friend, yeah, no. Nada, oh. Hey.
Okay, one. You have been my friend from childhood. Okay, one, what is happening? You have been helping other people. Why is it that you cannot help me? Why is my case different? Waiting I do you, okay, one. Waiting I do you. Okay, one, I told you of the scholarship visa. I applied some months ago. I told you they need just 50,000, but you cannot help me with that money. Okay, one, you have been giving out hundreds of thousands to people, but you cannot help me that is your friend. You cannot give me just 50,000, okay, one. What did I do to you? Okay, one, you have been helping people and they have been singing your praises. Why can't you help me so I can sing your own praises, okay, one? What have I done? What did I do you now? No, talk to me.
I'll give you the secret. Chima, you're my friend. You've been my friend for a very long time. I don't like seeing you in this condition. Relax, eh? Calm down. We'll talk about it.
Okay, well, I'm not here to calm down. I'm not here to calm down, okay, one. Tell me what I need to know. Why is it that you don't want to help me and you have been helping other people? Let me know. Tell me what I need to know, okay, one. You have the money to get me to my dreams, but you don't want to help me. Waiting I do you. Why you don't want to help me, okay, one? Please, tell me so that I will understand. Or did I offend you? Just let me know now.
If you shout, I will not help you again. No problem. Tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give you the secret. But today, we will drink and be happy. Tomorrow I'll give you updates.
You said tomorrow, Abby? I'll be here tomorrow. My childhood friend. No be this woman be that. Now I can't be this now. Okay, one favorite customer. Wow. But this woman a big woman. She gets money and she gets money die. Bless her, she won't buy land though. Hey. I'll go to Okenwa. More Okenwa check whether this woman like her. If this woman love her like this, okay, money don't reach Okenwa hand like that. Too much money now go enter Okenwa hand and me self go follow enjoy the money. Oh, this woman get money. Oh. She won't buy land. No problem. No, I'm not sure I go feel wait till tomorrow. I need to go, ma go tell Okenwa about this girl. As I say at the buy land, ma go tell her. Maybe you go know what to do. The girl gallant. I don't feel wait till tomorrow. I need to go Okenwa shop now on his house. Ma go tell her. Ma go look for Okenwa. Ma tell her everything that happen. I don't feel wait. Ma they go.
Mama?
Oh, my son. You're welcome, bro.
Yeah, good day, Mama.
Okay,
Mama, how did it go now? I hope you guys saw Okenwa.
We saw him. Oh. Hey, that man, Are
you serious?
He's a bomb man on car. I've never seen my
Okenwa. That guy is a good guy, your Mama.
Hey. Nah.
I thank God everything is settled now.
Yes,
that's
so
the most important thing.
You can see the joy on my face now. I am happy. And also thanks to you.
Yeah.
Mama, what
will I do now? If I don't do it, who will do it for you?
Oh, thank you.
No, Wala, Mama. Actually, I just decided to come and check on you guys so at least I will know what's going on.
Once about people papa
No, Mama. No, don't stress yourself. Mama, what of Monica self?
She went to her friend's place.
Hey, I know Monica. She will be so happy right now. You know, she's always wanted to go to NYC now. Latest compassion. Monica, hey, I'm so happy for her. Mama now. Let me run around.
No.
Mama, it's not every time, Mama. No worry, I'm Mama. Don't worry, I'm coming back, Mama. Mama. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Send my greetings to Monica.
Okay, I will do that.
All right, ma.
Okay. Bye. Hey, it's a bon.
Okenwa. Is it that Okenwa is not at home, Abi? Or maybe it's at the backyard? What? So this is it? Hey. No wonder I've been asking myself, how do you get all this money you give to people every day? Now I've seen the source. And you use mechanic workshop to cover.
Stop shouting now. Stop shouting. What is your problem? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. So you have been into money ritual. No wonder it's making sense now. It's making sense. No wonder you don't want to help me, Okenwa.
Stop shouting. Every time you say I should give you update. This is the update. See your update now. Stop shouting.
I will not stop shouting. And I will not keep this a secret because the land will haunt me. The community will haunt me. What is this evil? I can't keep this evil a secret.
What's your problem now? This thing is not evil. I have not killed anybody. Relax.
I wonder how many people you have killed to make sure you make all this money. I wonder how many people you have killed.
Chima, stop shouting. I have not killed anybody. I'm not taking anybody's destiny. This thing is just what I do to arrange myself as a man. This is the update. Do you want updates? If you keep shouting, no update for you. Should I give you the update? No problem now if you want to get. See, passed through a lot. A lot. I finished school as a young man. I couldn't get a job. Things were very tight for me. Very difficult. I suffered. Believe me, I suffered. And my parents died very early when I was still very little. I suffered. I couldn't find a headway. Life was so tough. So I went to learn that mechanic work and I started doing it. But I was not satisfied because I needed more. As a man, I sit down, I see my mates doing well. I said, no, I must break through. Because as a man, you must find your own breakthrough. You don't go and start blaming people. Life is tough for everybody. As a man, you take it upon yourself to find your own breakthrough. So I said I must find my own. And I went on a journey of self-discovery. Many things happened on that journey. But that was how I got linked to this secret society. See, my own, I don't kill people. I do not hurt anybody. I made up my mind that any money I get from this thing you saw, I'll be using it to help people. Because I don't want our people to suffer the way I suffered. Me, I suffered so much. I want to be helping people. That's my own style and it works for me. And I'll be honest with you. Forget that mechanic work you saw. I'm much bigger than this. So believe me, I just decided to disguise for my own reasons. My money is long ago.
But why would you disguise now? Why would you disguise? It's your decision to better your life. At least when you make this money, you go to the city and keep doing things with your life. You can better your life more and more. You just disguise.
Well, I decided to keep it that way. That mechanic work, I love it. I love it. I have passion for it. So I just decided to be doing it. But now that you said it, maybe I'll think about it. And I'll decide to come out full so that people will know my capacity. On your own part, I've made my own money. You've been asking me for update. That's the update you saw at my backyard. So, if you are interested, I'll tell you everything. Are you interested?
But since you don't hurt people and you don't do evil to the people you give money to, I will think about it.
You'll think about it? No problem.
Just give me like 2 days. Let me think about it and get back to you.
Take 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
You can even take 2 months if you want to keep thinking. That's your own problem. Me, I've solved. My financial life is taken care of, remaining your own. But while you are thinking, don't tell anybody. That thing you saw at my backyard is between me and you. See, let me tell you, see all these rich men you see driving big cars and building big houses, they all belong somewhere. All of them. But they will not give you updates. It's only good people like me with good hearts that will give you updates.
Okay, but why didn't you give me this update since?
Now that I gave you, see how you are behaving. You saw the update, you started shouting. Just small this thing you saw there, you were shouting. Imagine if I gave you this update since, won't you go and start telling the whole village?
Sorry. Don't. Okay, one money.
Correct, man. It's in your hand, though. Me, I've done my part as a good friend. So make up your mind there.
Okay, one money.
While you are thinking, let me go back to my backyard.
Too much money. But what if this is just how we start? What if they make it look so easy from the start? Then at some point, they will ask you to kill and bring human blood. But I've known Okenwa since we were kids. He's not someone who can hurt anyone. So if there is anything of such, that means he has killed. Does it mean he must have killed? But wait though, what is the essence of all this? After all, however money is made, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you have the money. Look at me lavishing my life in this village, not even sure of 3 square meals daily. Moreover, people do anything to make this money. and we see them and envy them without knowing how the money was made. So there is no difference. No difference at all.
How have you been now? My guy,
This one, you are not in your workshop by this time. What is happening now?
My guy, I came back. My guy sent me to go and get something for him, so I'm on my way going to the place, just down there.
Okay, I now. You send my regards to Okinwa now.
That reminds me, how about him? I've not seen that guy for the past 2 days now. What is going on with him? I hope he's fine.
My brother, I don't understand. Even me too, I have not actually seen him for quite some time. But you know Chima now, he likes staying indoors. That's his way of life. He's always inside.
What will indoors be doing for you by this time of the day when you should be outside hustling like your other or your fellow guys? I don't understand. I just hope everything is fine with him wherever he is.
My brother, same here with me too. I don't even understand that guy anymore. But what I will do right now, I think I will just check on him while I'm going home now to know how he's doing.
Yeah. You better. Hey, now me, I go down. Since it looks like you're going my way, can I down now? No, they slow down.
You were.
My mad guy. So how have you been now? Now, quite on that tube, man.
Have you?
What? How far?
Okay, one. I'm ready.
This life, oh, it's something else. Oh, this life is something else. Oh, this life.
I told you. I told you that making money is a tough decision. A very tough decision that every man must take. Unfortunately, not everybody can take that decision. Why? They do not have the balls. You tell them, take decision like a man and make money. They can't do it. Why? They don't have the balls. But you took that decision. See, you are enjoying now.
And it was indeed a good decision that I took. Good decision.
Yes, sir. Things have changed. Look at your life now. You've gone from being a nobody to somebody.
You can say that again, my good friend. Look at the cars, the mansions, and the companies. Everything to my name. Okwego, let's toast to a good life.
Yes, sir.
Good life.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, my client is so happy having to do this business with you.
He's supposed to be happy. You know, when money speaks, every other thing remains silent.
Exactly, sir. You can say it again.
So make sure you change your names in the papers and bring it to my office. And I'm going to pay in cash. Also change the name of this plaza to Bullion's Plaza. That is my trademark.
Noted, sir. It will be done immediately. Okay, thank you.
Okay, yes, I'll get back to you today. I'll get back to you. We have this.
Oh. See when you are coming, you should have waited for at least 2 minutes. Let me admire my welcome. The money van.
The fire that consumes money.
Please sit down.
I see you enjoying yourself with fresh blood.
That's why I said you should have just waited for these 5 minutes. Let me finish. Yeah?
I don't know now. It's very important. Very, very important.
No,
You need to enjoy yourself.
See, when I grow old, that I'll enjoy. Hey, Alpha.
I'm good. See, I can tell you 1 or 2 now.
Yes. Okay, my love. Give us some time, Let's have billionaires discussion.
Just go, Very soon you come back to continue.
Close your eyes. Stop. Now come.
Okay.
What's your problem?
The legal one. The fire that consumes the money.
These things, what will a man do now? You need to stretch. How far?
So how is this possible? Why are we getting this information so urgently?
Sorry, ma. That is order from the court. And you can't change it.
So how is that possible? I know my rights. There is no way somebody will wake up from somewhere to come and buy off someone's plaza where people are doing business for years without informing them. That is wrong, very wrong.
Madam, speak with the landlord of the property. I'm just doing my job as a lawyer.
Oh, really?
Thank you.
I will talk to the landlord of this place. What rubbish? This is wrong. How can you just come and serve somebody paper like that? Without even being pre-informed.
Akunde Lego one. Well, I just bought a new plaza. And as my good and best friend, I said, let me come and let you know.
The money van. The money van. Okay. You're gradually buying up every part of this state.
I want to make sure that I disturb poverty. So when poverty hears my name, poverty will run away. It's very important.
That is the spirit. That's the spirit. See, we will celebrate. Yes, let us celebrate new property.
I tell you,
very good
the
whiskey.
fire that consumes money.
40 years.
Udo. Hey, very important.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Your lawyer just left here now. Yes, he told us that the plaza has been bought over by someone. But sir, why were we not informed? What if the buyer decides to evict everybody from this plaza? Yes, it's wrong. I'm not talking about myself. What about other people that are selling things in this plaza? But sir, that is not right. We're supposed to be informed ahead of time. Hello? Hello? Hey, this man just got the call on me. Can you imagine? Why are people so wicked and unjust? Why?
Yes, barrister. How are you? Okay, I got your message about the woman that is trying to oppose me from buying the plaza. You don't need to worry yourself. If she is capable of standing me in court, then let her serve me the papers. Barrister, you know me. I don't talk too much. On next week, I will come to the plaza. So I will see this woman directly. Let me know who she is. Let me understand something. Send me your account. I want to send you 5 million for lunch now. Because you have been a good boy. You are welcome, barrister. You are welcome. Okay, I will talk to you later. Good. I will surely buy the plaza.
So get me. So with that, my money is complete.
Hello. Hi. Okay, Nwa. You don't remember me? The lady that always comes to your workshop to fix her car. Lexus 330.
Yes. I always call you madam. Madam. How are you?
Doris, not madam.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
You look so good. Oh my goodness.
Wow, good to see you.
Good to see you. You know, let me get your contact. Maybe I will give you a call.
Sure, I think I gave you the other time.
Yeah, please.
Check.
Okay.
I gave you. Same,
Okay, let me call you.
Same number. It's ringing.
Yeah, it's ringing.
You came to buy food, huh?
Yes, I came to grab lunch. So, will you join me?
Don't worry. I have something.
Oh, okay. So I'll give you a call later. Wow.
Bye.
Good to see you. Wow. This life is nothing. Please, can I get fried rice, chicken, salad?
Okay.
Chairman, sir, you sent for me.
Yes. You need to take the car to the mechanic and make sure the fault is fixed.
Okay, boss.
And after that, I need you to go to the airport for me. You need to pick up my items that were sent from Italy. And you need to go there fast because I don't want that item to come to this house through a dispatch.
Okay, boss. Another thing.
All right, be fast because you take me for a meeting. I'm going to a meeting. You need to come pick me.
All right, boss.
You can go. Wait. You need to fill the tank with this money. This 150,000.
Okay, to fill the car.
Yes, make sure you fill the tank. Just fill the tank. Be fast, okay?
All right, boss.
Okay. Pick up. Yes, barrister. Yeah, barrister. You need to meet me by 3 p.m. in the hotel. And you need to be fast. Please make sure you keep to time. I don't joke with my time. Okay, I'll be waiting. Be fast. Thank you.
You know, you need to tell me about this transformation.
Well, in a man's life, there are always stories. Let's just say that God has been wonderful. Things changed, and indeed, hard work pays.
You can say that again. I mean, from a roadside mechanic to a wealthy, young, handsome-looking man.
Not just that. My name right now is OGENE Liego 1.
Wow, that is good. I'm impressed. Like, I'm so impressed.
All right, enough of me. Let's talk about you.
Okay.
What have you been up to?
Nothing much. Just my work, I deal with companies on contracts, then my businesses and everything. So everything about money making counts me in.
Wow. Hardworking lady. Huh?
You can say that again.
I like that. The man in your life is lucky.
Man?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any man in my life.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Have all the men gone blind suddenly? They don't see beautiful women anymore.
Let's just say I am not yet ready for any man. I've just been busy with my work. I believe when I'm ready, I will have someone.
Nice.
Yeah.
Koyeli. Woman is very stupid. Very stupid woman. Who told her that a property owner needs permission from his tenants before he sells his property? Told her that one.
Can you imagine that? I told them to take the case to court so that we will meet in court.
Oh, which court? We don't do court case. We simply buy off the case. Just buy it.
They don't know. I will show them the reason why they call me Bullion Van. They don't call me Bullion Van for nothing. I will show them the reason.
Now you're talking now. Okay, Cable. Buy the case.
I'm going to buy the case. Buy the lawyers in charge of the case. Buy the judges. Buy everybody in charge of the case. That's what will happen.
And when you're done, send money to that woman. Send money into her account. Tell her to use it and buy food. I know it's hunger and poverty that is disturbing her.
Akunilego. You can say that again. I will send that money. I'm Bullion Van.
You have a nice home.
Thank you. Thank you. Please, make yourself comfortable.
Oh, wow. For once, I would think I was dreaming.
Well, you are not dreaming. You are in the palace of Okunege.
Wow.
All right, what can I offer you? Drinks, food, anything?
One more thing is missing.
Okay, what's that?
You see? Imagine as I walked in, a woman would just come out to ask me what I want. You need a woman. You need a good woman to take care of you and your beautiful home.
You have a point. I'm working on it.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That is good. Please do. Wow.
Thank you.
I'm so impressed.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
So, food, drinks, which one?
Anyone.
I cook.
You cook? Maybe we should go to the dining.
Hello, barrister. Yes, I got your message. I will be in the plaza in 20 minutes. Okay. Okay. Ima?
Yes,
you need
boss.
to drive straight to the plaza because I have a meeting with the occupants there. Because I want to know what to do if they don't back out in 2 weeks' time. Ima, drive straight to the plaza.
Okay, I will just revise.
Just go straight to the plaza. Revise. 20 minutes, I'll be there. Yeah. It's fine. I will purchase that plaza. I will buy that plaza for sure. It's my investment. I guess these are the occupants of this plaza.
Yes, sir. This is Mr. Desmond, the one that is representing them as their spokesman.
Good day, sir. Yes, Mr. Desmond. I bought this property from the legitimate owner. And I don't need permission from any of you before I could buy this property. So I believe the evacuation time of 2 weeks is much time for you guys.
Sir, we know that you bought the plaza from the right owner. Nobody is dragging it with you. You are now the owner of the plaza. But all we are saying is that the 2 weeks you gave to us is too small.
How much time do you need? Tell me.
Are you okay with the 2 weeks?
We are not okay. We're not okay with it.
Please, give us like 3 to 4 months so that we can have time to arrange our things and pack from here.
I will give you 1 month. 1 month is all I can give. And after 1 month, I will come here and demolish this plaza. And I will begin my project. That's all I can give. Thank you.
But I think he has done the best he can. Pass the information to the others. Thank you.
Which kind of what are we going to do now? What's going on here? What's happening? Why are you all standing here? And what's the paparazzi for?
That is the man that bought this plaza. He just gave us 1 month to pack from this plaza. If not, we go carry caterpillar, come carry all of us, pack us, come out from here. Now, what I see?
This is wickedness. You need to inform everyone to pack their things. We can't fight the rich, can we?
No.
See, yeah, see where I am. I came to relax and get some fresh air. The fire in this your waist is too much.
Don't you like it?
Huh?
Don't you like it?
That's why you want to kill me. The fire is just too much.
I have to do anything possible. I have to take care of you now. Before these girls will take you away from me, I have to handle my man very well.
You are taking care of me too much. So that's why you want to kill me with this thing.
It's not much.
Hey.
Tell me, did you like it?
This night. ODILI. For now, let me rest.
I know you like it, I'm just pretending.
For now, let me rest.
I know you like it.
Bullion.
Welcome the Lego one.
Bullion.
Welcome the Lego one. How are you?
Babe, get us some drinks.
All right, babe.
Good.
Welcome the Lego one.
Hey. That girl wanted to kill me.
Hey.
Fire. The fire in her waist is too much.
But that is how it's supposed to be. Yes, now. Let her handle you well.
These girls are not smiling.
Yesterday I was at the plaza. Okay. I met with the spokesperson there. And I gave them 1 month to evacuate the premises. And I think it's okay by them. Also, they have dropped the court case also.
Confirm. I told you, money makes the world go round. Once you have money and you're willing to spend it, things will be happening.
That is it. Yes, so in 1 month's time, I will go back there and I will demolish everything and start my project.
Confirm. That's how it should be. Confirm.
Akubele, you're doing well.
Confirm.
Hi. I'm Doris. And you?
What do you want?
Oh, sorry. Is OGENE in?
Okay, what?
I mean Okwego. Is he in?
Why are you looking for him? As you can see, he's not at home.
Oh, really? Okay, I was actually at the neighborhood. I decided to come and say hi. Are you his sister?
I'm not his sister. I'm his fiancée.
Oh, wow. Good to know about that. Please, when he gets back, just help me tell him I said hi. Yeah.
I will do just that, okay?
Okay.
Come and go. I will let him know you're here. Glory, right?
Doris.
Doris.
Wow. So finally, Okenwa has gotten himself a fiancé. I'm happy to hear that. At least now he'll be more responsible. Okay, nice. I'll soon be there now. Okay, I'll call you back. All right. Thank you.
Oh, did anybody come here to look for me?
No. Oh, yes. Someone came here looking for you. She said her name is Doris.
Doris?
Yeah.
What did you tell her?
She asked if I was your sister, and I said, no, I'm your fiancé.
Are you my fiancé?
Babe.
What do you mean, babe? Are you my fiancé? Have I proposed to you? What's wrong with you people now? What is wrong with women? You just be spoiling things for a man. Have I proposed to you? Did I ever tell you I'll marry you?
Yeah, I don't understand you. I don't understand you. What are you saying? What have we been doing?
We have been enjoying ourselves. I never promised you marriage. Marriage is not by force.
I don't know for you. Well, you see, on this one, we have come to stay. We must finish this thing that we just started.
Well, God can't punish you. Is it by force? What am I even saying? I don't want to see you in my house again. Can you hear me?
You can't do this to me. Like, you can't do this to me. I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I am staying here, and that is final.
I don't want to see you in my house again. I'm leaving. By the time I come back, let me not see you here again.
I'll be here. In fact, this thing that we started, we must end it. We must finish it in this house. I'm not going anywhere.
Because any mistake now, we're going to be the one to pay for it. What?
Look at the man that bought this plaza.
The world is indeed a small place.
You can say that again. I mean, look at you. It's written all over you.
I never knew I'm going to see you again.
Yeah, same here. You know, the last time I saw you was at your friend's mechanic. You remember, right?
Yes, my friend's mechanic workshop.
Yes.
I remember that.
And look at you today. Everything has changed. You are now an Odogwu. Wow.
Thank God for everything.
That is good. I even learned you're the person that bought over the plaza where I have my office.
Yes, I'm the one. I wanted to demolish the place and build something better there. And I never knew you own a shop there.
Yes, my office is there. But not to worry. I'm already looking for somewhere else. So pretty soon, I'll pack out.
You don't need to pack out, okay? And I will not demolish the place again. So you and your other business people, go on with your businesses. I'm okay.
Oh, wait. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not joking. Why would I joke with something like this? Just go on with your businesses.
Oh my God. I'm so impressed.
The pleasure is all mine. It's fine.
You're a good man. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay.
Oh, this is so sweet.
Now cheers to a good life.
Oh, cheers. Yeah.
Hello, babe. Are you home? I'm fine. Don't worry, I will tell you everything when I get there.
Wow.
Lois, you are welcome to my humble abode.
You have a nice place here.
Thank you so much. Just sit down, please.
I should sit?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. So this is the little place I've been managing since God blessed me.
Yes, you can say that again. You know, change is something that is constant. I mean, take a look at you. God can change someone's situation just in a minute.
God has been faithful. So faithful.
You can say that again. I hope you don't mind. I would like to ask you a question.
It's fine. Go
on. Apart from buying people's plazas and making them jobless, what other thing do you do?
I'm not actually like that. Just that I want to set up something. And that location is strategic. Good location. That is where I am. I want to buy that plaza.
Really?
I'm into property development. I buy properties, I demolish them, and build them to my taste. Then I decide if to sell it or keep it running. That's what I do.
I see. That's good for you.
So now, young lady, what would you like to drink, take? What do you want? Just tell me.
Nothing. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
That is the man that wants to demolish this plaza.
Yes.
What are you doing with him?
The plaza will no longer be demolished.
Huh?
Yes.
How did you do that?
Don't worry. As a matter of fact, everyone that owns a business in this plaza can continue. Nothing they happen.
Dodo.
Eh?
So we now...
Don't worry, everybody can stay. I need to go upstairs to call my lawyer to cancel the charges we made against him. Moreover, I will gist you later.
Now, wow. Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Like you people have known each other for years now.
I'm telling you. You know what? The way God can change a man's situation in minutes still marvels me. I mean, take a look at him.
So this plaza will not be pulled down again.
My dear, this plaza is going nowhere. He learned I have a shop here. So he said, okay, the fact that I have a shop here, no problem. Everyone can stay back. No demolition again.
This is good news, though.
Good news indeed.
This is good news. Look, you have to go and inform other people about this.
Me? You're the spokesman here now, so you should be in a better position to share the news to everyone.
Look, I'm very happy. Do you know, I was even afraid. In fact, I'm scared how all of us will pack our things, begin to go out of this plaza.
No, Mr. Desmond, honestly, it's the Lord's doing. And it's good to be a good person anywhere you find yourself, because you never can tell tomorrow. The position you're going to see yourself, you don't know if it's the person you helped yesterday might be the person to help you that feel you've gotten to where you're going. So that is life. So anywhere you see yourself, try to be a good human being.
Doris,
Mr. Desmond.
Wow, my client. Hello, sir. Very good, sir. Yes, I just got a direct message from Spring Court regarding a second batch of charge case over your request to demolish the plaza has been declined. Okay, sir. You know about it already. Wow. Well, I will take care of that. Thank you, sir. Okay, bye.
Come on, you're so funny. Stop it. Yes, I'm in the office. I hope it's something nice. Oh, I hope you don't want to serve me papers to go to court for stopping you from carrying out your project here. Okay, that's fine. I'll be expecting it. I'll be expecting the gift. Thank you so much. You're amazing. All right, bye. This guy is just so funny.
No, this for you.
For me?
Concern here.
Oh, thank you so much. Here you go. Thank you.
Have a nice dinner.
Yeah, you too. Bye. Hello. I'm good. I just received your gift. Of course. Man, looking at it, I love it already. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you. I like it. Thank you. I appreciate it, okay? All right. Bye.
You look great and amazing.
Thank you.
I would like us to do this often.
Really? Yes. Okay, that's nice. I actually wanted to, thank you for, starving yourself just to make me happy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
This is nothing. Come on. I would want us to always go out, have fun. It's nothing. I need to make you happy,
That sounds so sweet, Thank you. So tell me, do you have any woman in your life?
No. Did I say that to you? Did I introduce anyone to you?
No, I'm just saying.
You're
just saying that you want us to do this more.
Don't think that way. Forget about that. I don't have anybody, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
Don't worry. I want us to always meet out and discuss, know each other more, have fun, I need to make you happy. You understand? You get the point.
Money for himself.
Money
for. Okay.
The consuming fire money.
Money for. Okay. How far?
I'm okay.
Hey, good to see you. Hey, this man, you're so busy these days. Investments, business, you no longer come out to enjoy yourself.
You can say that again.
Okay. Slow down, oh. Slow down. You see this life, we don't come here 2 times, just once. All work and no play, you know what they say.
Definitely know I'm not a dull boy. I'm a strong man, you know it. The consuming fire money. I have a good news for you, and at the same time I have a surprise too. Yes.
I can see it's written all over you. Give me the good news.
I've gotten a woman to marry.
Wow, that's good. That's good. It's about time. You need to settle down. You're not getting any younger.
You know this thing.
Yes, sir.
So that is the good news. And the surprising part is that you know this woman.
I know her.
Yes. You do.
Hi, babes. What do you mean? Are you saying I don't always smile? Stop it. Stop it. Who told you something is going on between us? Okay, fine. You got me there. Listen, babe. I must say that I'm already falling for this guy. Yes. He makes me so happy. Whenever I'm around him, he makes me feel complete and confident. Yes. He spoils me silly. Go, Ja. Hopefully. Yeah. You like Amiibo. You too like Amiibo. Alright, babes, later. Yeah, alright. I'll check up on you later. Enjoy. I'm falling in love.
You're joking, right?
Why would I be joking? Why would I?
No, you cannot marry her. You cannot marry her. No, it's impossible.
Why not?
I'll tell you. I met that lady before you. Yes, I've known her for a very long time. Recently we met again and we rekindled our friendship. So you cannot marry her.
It's impossible. Because that lady I'm going to propose to her in a few weeks' time. I said, let me come and tell my friend now.
You're telling me you cannot marry her. It's impossible, I'm sorry.
You just said you cannot marry her. What is wrong with you? Chima, are you challenging me?
I will marry her. You cannot stop me. Nobody will stop me from marrying her.
Are you challenging me, Chima?
And if I challenge you, what will you do?
Chima. So if I speak now, you counter it. Chima, since when?
I'm going to marry her.
I can see this little boy wants to challenge me. Imagine Chima. Chima that I showed the way to riches. Same Chima that was begging me to help him, begging me to give him updates. Just imagine. I've helped him now, he's now challenging me. No problem. I will teach you a lesson, Chima. I'll show you that I started this thing long before you came in. Can you imagine? I'll tell Chima to leave a particular lady and he's arguing with me. Doris is mine and I'll be the one to marry. Doris is mine and I will marry her. She is mine.
Chaba, you're welcome. Chaba, why do you look this way? Is everything okay?
Hello, babe. Where are you? Please, I want to see you in a few minutes. Okay, don't keep me waiting.
Hey, babe. Baby, are you okay? You sounded really urgent over the phone. I hope there's no problem.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay, what is it?
What connection do you have with Okenwa?
Okenwa. Okenwa is my friend, like you know. Nothing serious. The other day I was at his okay, I went to visit him, and then, you know, just to see that everything has really changed, I advised him that he needs to get married so he will have someone to take care of him and his home. And the other day I was at his neighborhood and I decided to go and say hi to him, only for me to see another woman there. And when I asked her if she was Okego's sister, she said she was the fiancée. So I was so happy. At least finally, he has gotten himself a woman. So we're nothing is going on between us. We're just friends. Why do you ask?
It's okay. I believe you. But listen to me. You have to be watchful and careful wherever you go.
Okay, you're sounding... I don't know. You're making me scared. I hope there's no problem.
I will do everything to make sure I protect you.
Protect me? From who?
Okwego, listen to me and listen good. Next time you cross my lane, then I'm going to burn you, and I will burn you with the fire that you came with. Why am I even wasting my time with you? Just cross my lane again and see what will happen. I promise you something bad will happen to you. I know what you are, but your mission here has failed. Go back to whosoever that sent you and tell the person he has failed. He has failed. Because I'm wise. My enemies are at work. But nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. He has failed. You cannot do anything to me. Nothing. Whatever you know, I know it. Ima, take this thing. Burn it. Make sure nothing is remaining. Burn it. Pour fuel on it and burn it. Take. Don't be scared. Hold it. I said hold it. Take it. Go and burn it. Go and burn it, Ima. You are failed. My enemies are failed. There is nothing. Nothing will happen. Nothing. God punished my enemy on her father. Nothing will happen. So far I did not do anybody anything. My chi will never lose guard me. I'm doing my thing straight. Burn the pot. Come on. Nonsense. I'm bigger than you. Come on. Then you.
Hi, babe. Yes, I just got to the office now. What? Babe, but my girls has been calling me. Yes, she said that I have a meeting with a client today. Are you serious? Okay, I'll do that now. I'll do that.
She's nowhere to be found. Let me call the boss. Call him. Hello, boss. We've searched everywhere. Yes. She's nowhere to be found. Yes. Okay, boss. No, she's... Yes. Okay, boss. Thank you, boss. Okay.
Ogenwa. So you sent your boy to come and kill me. You sent your boy to come and shoot me, right? It's unfortunate because he did not succeed and he will never succeed. Ogenwa. I will show you that Chima is different from Bullion Van and Bullion Van. You want to destroy me? You cannot. I said you cannot. Don't worry yourself. I know what to do. You sent your boy to come and kill me. Ogenwa. You na go now, okay one. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Me, Bullion Van is coming back for you. Just watch. Let's sit and play the film. Let's see what happens. Me, okay one. Okay.
Listen, Okenwa, I don't even say a thing. What is wrong with you? What exactly is wrong with you? Why are you trying to kill your own friend? For what exactly? For me? Oh my goodness. No, let me make something clear to you. Fine, we are friends, but that doesn't guarantee you that we have a thing together. We don't! Yes! Stop it, okay, when you're getting on my nerves. What is wrong with you? What exactly is wrong with you? Why are you doing this? You have a woman in your life, you have a fiancé that you're getting married to. Leave me the hell alone. You want to kill your own friend, all because of a woman? Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself. Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. Please, I am begging you. Stay away from your friend and stop fighting him. We want peace. Give everybody peace and stop this madness. You're too old for this. Can't you see it? Whatever, me have made my points clear. Don't say I did not warn you. Please. Now listen. I'm in love with Chima. And there is nothing you or anybody can do about it. So deal with it. What rubbish? What nonsense?
Come on. Come on. Be careful. I said be careful. I'm supposed to kill you now, but I'm not looking for you. Go and tell your boss. Tell him that I'm coming. Bullion van is come. Come on, go. Go and tell your boss I'm coming. Nonsense. You are just a little boy to me. Come on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how may I help you?
We are looking for one Miss Doris.
Doris? I have not seen her. Moreover, for long now, she has not been to office.
Are you serious?
Yes, any problem?
No, that's no problem. That's no problem.
Huh?
That's no problem. No problem.
Huh? Yeah, I'm fine. How are you? No? Oh, I'm not expecting anyone. Are you serious? Listen, please. Don't disclose my address to anyone. Am I understood? What? They look what? Oh my goodness. Thugs? You can imagine. I am not expecting anyone. And I don't have anything to do with any talk. Oh really? I see. Just make sure you don't disclose my address to anyone, okay? Just leave everything to me. All right. This man again. Always trying to bring someone down. But you know what? I will always beat you, hands down. That's a promise.
Okenwa, so you ask your boys to kidnap my boy. Okenwa, you're a weak man. And weak men always lose. Okenwa, leave my boy out of this. I'm giving you 24 hours to release him. Yes.
You fool. You're supposed to be by my side. I picked you up, trained you, gave you a life, and you decided to serve my enemy.
Blonde is my boss, and I don't care what you say. He gave me a chance he never gave me.
Shut up. I'll come back to you later. For now, I need to know where Doris lives.
You feel I'm not going to give you that information?
I see.
I'd rather die.
Tie him up. Any wrong move from him, shoot him in the head.
Stand up. Get up! Move. That way.
Have you seen anyone? No. I mean the white car? No.
God, this shit. Fuck.
Got it, boss. What's going on? Hello, boss. No one has driven in yet. She hasn't driven in yet. Yes, we are still waiting. We have not seen anybody. Alright, boss. Alright, boss. Alright, boss. Okay, sir. Hey, boss. We come.
Don't worry. You are safe here, okay?
Baby.
Yes.
Please, you have to be very careful out there.
I will be careful. But my priority is to make sure you are safe, and you are safe here, okay?
Yes.
I need to go now. I have some things to take care of.
I thought you were going to spend some time with me here.
No, I need to go. I have some things to handle. But don't worry, I'll come back later to check on you. Okay?
Baby, promise me. You promised me, right?
About what?
That you're going to stay here with me.
I have things to handle. You understand? But I will come back later to check on you.
Okay, that's fine. Please, I want you to take good care of yourself. Be safe out there.
I will. Just hold us, I'm coming back. Hello, barrister. Yeah, a quick one. Please, all the meetings for this week, schedule it for next week. I know, but I'm so busy. Yeah, schedule it for next week. Okay, barrister. Next week I will come for the property inspection and I will check everything out. Okay. Don't worry, next week for sure. Okay, barrister. Take care of yourself. Yeah. Okay. My investment. Properties, I must buy it. That plaza, I'll buy it.
Boss, you called?
Yes, I did. I need you to go out there. Put your ears on the ground and get me information on where that lady is hiding.
Okay, boss.
It's obvious the other boys cannot handle it. So, I'm putting you in charge.
Sure, boss.
Right? Get to work. Get to work. Snoop around. Find that lady and bring her back here. Bring her here. She belongs to me.
Sure, I'll do that.
I want to hear positive news in 48 hours.
Sure, boss.
Don't worry. I will deal with him. I'm studying all his strategies so that when I strike, it will hit him hard. Don't worry. She's fine. She's in a safe place and no one can figure out where she is. It's time for me to show OGENE. It's time for me to show him that I have his time now. I want to show him that silence is not cowardice. Okay, I will get back to you when she's back. Okay, we'll talk later. OGENE, you have dared me so much. And it's time for me to show you how much of your time I have.
Boss, there's no one inside. Even Bullion's boy is nowhere to be found.
So they've taken away that stupid boy. Chima. Chima, you have drawn the battle line. You have the guts to invade my home, Chima. You won't believe what will happen next. You will not believe. Open the gate.
Yes, boss. I overheard him saying on phone that he would do anything with his power to get her, no matter what it takes. Yes, boss. I'm fine where I am now. Listen, do not worry. I want you to know that I am in this with you. We're in this together. And I will be back home soon. Yes, boss. Thank you. It's fine.
Okay, one. I'm ready for you. I just showed you a tip of what I've prepared for you. And I'm waiting for your clap back. I will show you that silence is not weakness. Okay, one. I've sent my boys away. Now I'm waiting for you and your boys. I'm waiting for your clap back. Okay, one, you have touched the lion's tail, and I will bite you without mercy. I don't give empty promises. I don't. The next will be you, okay, one. Just watch. Watch your back.
Hello, Desmond. Hey, don't worry, I'm fine, I'm okay. I hope everything is peaceful. What? Thugs parading the plaza? Are you serious? You know what? On no account will you disclose my location to anyone or tell anyone you're communicating with me. Is that clear? Alright, that's fine. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, okay, no problem. Just be watchful. Put your eyes on ground and put your ears on ground too. Any movement, just let me know, okay? Alright, thank you so much. Thank you, I really appreciate it. What is wrong with this man? Is it too hard for him to understand that I am not interested? I am not! Let him leave me the hell alone. What is all this?
What? How? When? It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Don't worry. I'll take care of it. Yes, I said I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
for here now? Where they happen for here now? This kind of matter be this. You follow me, I shoot that door open now. Where they happen for here?
Calm down. I say calm down.
Papa
no one make you draw attention anyhow.
This man don't too price. We got set for him. Where they happen? Oh, this one bust my head. Though. How you play now?
Now see the B. Oh, they cut out. Oh, they cut out.
Oh my God, baby.
How are you, baby?
I'm fine, baby. I'm fine. I was thinking you're not going to come back again.
I told you I will come. I can't fail to keep to my word. So I'm here now. You see me.
Baby.
Yes.
I hope Okima is not making so much trouble with you.
Okima will go to any length just to get you. But don't worry, you're safe here. He cannot come to this place. I promise you that. Okay?
Thank you.
And I got you this. And I know you will like it. Check it out.
Oh my goodness.
Anything for you.
All this for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much, baby. You're so sweet.
Oh, well, you're safe with me. So far you are here. Everything is fine, okay?
Thank you.
Boss, I saw their cars parked there. Then I followed them to that place.
So where is she?
Boss, I slept off. I didn't know when they left.
You slept off?
Yes, boss.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I sent you there to monitor them and bring that lady here. You slept off.
I'm sorry, boss.
Will you get out of my sight? Get out!
Sorry.
This life,
Oga, Gary don't cost now, no. I took up I buy you. This one now at 300 naira like this.
Only?
I swear.
Anyhow, no run out.
Go package them.
We'll go kill ourselves. Oh boy? Shima. Shima. Shima.
Joy!
Why they shout?
Joy.
Joy. What is wrong?
Son, a dream, Ade.
Ah, you mean a dream?
It's a dream.
You didn't dream?
What's up?
Son, a dream, Ade.
You did dream.
You was about to.
Don't follow us, chop this thing, we soon finish. Where our bow? If you don't follow us, chop this thing now, you don't go see food chop today. Where our bow?
That boy there, make us come collect him. That was small, we arrange him now.
You okay?
But what happened now?
We were so rich that we had mansions and cars and other investments to our name.
Inside the dream.
This life, it's
It's like you chop for night before you sleep. Now it make you the sleep.
Even you where they laugh, you know my boy, my errand boy, my driver.
God forbid, I no go be your boy. Who be your boy? Wake up for. In fact, I don't know what you smoke today. You don't go smoke, you go home big pass you.
Oh my God.
What did you smoke?
Don't go smoke loud way past you.
If you see the kind of money we me and you get for that drink, our money too long. Our money, me and you money long anyhow. Yeah. Anything we want buy, I dey demolish house, I dey build them, I dey sell them, as in many business up and down. Which kind of drink be this now? Aye. See my boy for dream, for real life, you can't dey form with you, no. Don't chop.
No child. Have you never seen child?
This life is something else. Life is too deep. Life is too deep. Life is too deep. Life is too deep. Don't allow the situation of life.
Now this same girl me and you dey fight for. As me and you fight because of this girl for dream. Me and you fight because of this girl.
Me and you dey fight for woman.
Me and you fight. I swear to God, not be small fight o. We dey shoot. Many things dey happen. We dey kidnap. Me and you.
Me and you dey drag.
If you see,
me and you fit drag woman, you get money.
me and you get money. You know they hear say me and you get money already for the dream. So me and you now come dey fight for the woman. As you dey shoot, me self dey shoot. Not be small matter.
You knock am for you.
As I knock am, forget knocking first. I win you. I collect the woman from you.
How this babe will leave you, may you knock am first.
If you see the kind dream, this kind dream now, what everybody they pray for. I swear, child. Oh, this one, I mess up. Oh, why I go wake up?
It's something else. Oh, this life, oh, in no balance. Oh, this life is something else. Oh. This life, oh, it's something else. Oh, this life is something else. Oh, this life, oh, in no balance. Oh, this life